Gluten-free banana and coconut bread. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease and line a loaf pan so that the paper hangs over the long sides. For the dry ingredients, take a large bowl and add gluten-free flour, coconut, brown sugar, gluten-free baking powder and bicarb soda. Mix them together with a wooden spoon. For the wet ingredients, mash bananas in another bowl, then add olive oil or coconut oil, eggs and maple syrup. Whisk them together. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir to combine. Lumps are okay. If you overbeat your mix, the banana bread will be tough. Spoon the mixture into a pan and smooth the top. Bake for an hour or until the banana bread is cooked in the centre. If the top starts to brown too much, cover it with foil. Use a skewer to test. If it comes out clean, it's ready. Leave the banana bread in the pan for about 5 minutes. Then use the paper to lift it out onto a wire rack and leave it to cool. This gluten-free banana bread is delicious on its own, but here's how to take it to the next level. Cut the banana bread into thick slices. Lightly toast each side under the grill until golden. Melt a little butter in a non-stick frying pan over high heat. Add sliced banana and cook for about 1 minute each side. And drizzle over a little more maple syrup. Wrap and store leftover banana bread in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or put it in the freezer for up to 3 months. For more baking inspiration, check out our Make It From Scratch playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.